Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nyambura. I make content on home, garden and lifestyle. So today I'm going to show you how to make a green smoothie. You can use this smoothie as your breakfast or even as a snack. So the ingredients I have here are banana, mangoes, oats, simos and some green leafy vegetables. So this is curly kale and parsley. So let's start doing this. So you first start with water. I usually start with water. You can use coconut water or you can use normal water. This is normal water. Then I add my greens, my sukuma wiki. This is the curly ones. And my parsley. If your blender is not very strong, make sure to chop them into smaller pieces. So mine is a bit strong, so I just throw them as they are. Then I'll put my mangoes. Then my bananas. Then I'm going to add oats, just a spoonful of oats. This smoothie is very protein rich. And then I'm going to add simos. If you have not seen my smoothie prep, please go and check out that video. And just a spoonful of simos powder. You can also use simos gel, whichever works for you. I prefer powder because it's easier and faster. So once everything is in, you just blend. So our smoothie is done. And so you're going to serve it in this mason jar. You can also add seeds if you like. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. And always remember, if you have a vision, add some passion. I'll see you in the next one.